Corneal blindness is the second major cause of blindness in the world, and most of the corneally blind people live in India.
At TKCI, we focus on eliminating corneal blindness.
They need corneal donor tissue. There is not enough supply. One of the chief scientists at TKCI and a very renowned scientist based in Sweden, Professor May Griffith, she is developing some of the cutting-edge technologies for dealing with corneal blindness. Main vision of Srijana Innovation Center is to find technological solutions to eye problems which needs engineers to develop those solutions. Simply the doctors are not equipped with that. And therefore, we brought this center along with the MIT Media Lab, and not only the engineers, the design specialist students, and variety of other specialists who are not mainstream in the medical world.
When different minds come together, we get a lot of knowledge from each of them, because there's always something we can learn from any person, something new we can learn from them. So having so many minds together working for a good cause is very useful. This week can help us actually get all our devices into deployment.
TKCI Srijana Award has been instituted to encourage people who can come up with a bright idea but lack the resources to convert it into a reality.
Innovation Award simply gives an opportunity to the students and anyone else who is interested to participate in a bigger moment which we are creating at the moment.
The TKCI Srijana Award will not only provide funding to such people, it will also give them the technical resources and the incubation space for a period of 6 to 12 months within LV Prasad Eye Institute, one of the premier eye institutes of the country, so that the idea can be transformed into reality and can eliminate corneal blindness someday.